I just got back from picking up 2 cars. This guy wanted to remove from his property and moved in. They were there. An old 89 GMC Vandura and a 99 Chrysler Sebring. See if these bitches will start. Can you say how long they've been sitting there?
Couple years.
Couple years?
2012.
2012, wow.
2013.
So, 3-4 years. It's got power. Come on, you old bitch.
Okay, so.
So it's definitely got compression.
Motor sounds good, really.
It's got oil in it. I hate these fucking things, the way they do this. Really? God.
Pull back toward the motor on.
Yeah, hold that for a second.
Go ahead and turn it over.
Not even smoking. Probably just bad fuel pump. Smoking a little bit. Ooh, valve chatter. So bad, I'll never run them off that. Wow, 4 years of sitting. God, that oil's fucking shot. Hear anything?
Fuel pump's bad.
Yeah. Wow. Set it back there because of the fuel pump.
Fuel pump's bad. That car probably be a pretty good running driving car if it had a fuel pump in it. I almost would say no, but I tell you what, the fucking body on it's clean. I know, but these old cars, these motors ain't working.
No. They're not. Extensive care.
I'll see what it does.
Agreed.